We'll guide you through how to sort by date in Excel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in an Excel sheet, and so you want to go and sort data by date. You can go and do it from oldest to newest or newest to oldest, depending upon how you want it to be. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So this can be useful to do. To get started, you need to go and select the data. Make sure you include the headings. So we'll select in the top here and then click, hold and drag and select what we want to go and do this with. After you have it selected, come to the top header in Word and you want to go and press data in the ribbon. Now come over to the right into sort and filter and you want to find the option for sort and you can go and click there. Now where it says sort by, click in here and we're going to select date. And after you do that, then come into order and you can go and see we could go and select oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Let's start with oldest to newest and we'll do that and go and press OK. And as you can see, it's now done that there. Next, you can go and do it by pressing sort again and we could go and do newest to oldest and do that. And as you can see, there we have it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.